Hello dear students, this is the question number 4 of exercise 6.4. The question is find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of that number. Okay. So first number is given 402. So clear, the unit is 2, it means it is not a perfect square. So just the question is what should be subtracted. So class, please note down whenever the question is for what should be added and what should be subtracted, we will use long division method. Okay, and whenever the question is for what should be multiply and what should be divided, we have already used in 6.3 which method? Prime factorization. Prime factorization method. Clear? So the question is for subtraction, we will use long division method. We have done so many questions with long division method. So now again 402. First thing, make the pairs from right hand side, first pair, and if the digit is single, that is also considered as a pair. Now because there are two pairs, so there will be two digits in the answer. First pair is 4, so 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. Now subtract it. 0. Bring down this pair. 0, 2. Add the same number or double this digit. 2 and 2, 4. After that, just put a blank here. After that, we have to choose one number accordingly. So class, if this is my rough work, okay, if you put here 1, so 41 into 1, the answer is 41. That is very greater than from 2. So that's why we have to choose here only 0. So 40 into 0, it means our answer is 0. So the digit is 0 here and 0 here. But as you see, this is our remainder. Because answer तो आ जाना चाहिए, because 2 digits ही लेनी है, तो 2 digits answer आ गया. This is our remainder. Yes or no? So just we have to subtract this remainder, we will get our answer. Here you can write like this, here remainder is equals to 2, therefore 2 must be subtracted. 2 must be subtracted from 402 to get a perfect square number. Now, so what is the perfect square number? 402 is our number, subtract it 2. So 400 is the required perfect square number. Okay, this is the required perfect square number. Now also the question is find the square root of this number. So this is your answer. Okay, after subtracting, so you can write square root of 400 like this is equals to 20. This is our answer. First answer, this remainder 2 must be subtracted, so the least number is 2, that should be subtracted, and the next answer is square root of the perfect square. This is a perfect square number 400, so square root of 400 is 20. Okay. Now second part is 1989. This is the same as first part, you can try yourself. Now move to the C part. So the C part is 3250, 3250. Again same question, what should be subtracted. So whenever the question is for what should be subtracted, what should be added, we will use long division method. So just write down by long division method. Okay, 3250. First thing, make the pairs. There are two pairs, so 2 digits in the answer. First is 32, so 5 square 25, because 6 square is greater than 32. So first digit. After that 7, bring down this pair, 7 150, add it, add the same number, 5 and 5 10. After that put a blank here. Now we have to choose this digit with the help of multiplication with the same number. Okay, so now if you put here 1, so 101 into 1 you will get 101. If you put 2, because we have to put one number and the multiply with the same number, 204. As you can see, this is the very large number, so you randomly you can pick 105 into 5. So the answer is 525. That is also very small. So now if you choose 107, 106, you can try 6, 36, that is very less than 749, that is very close to 750. So we will choose 7. Okay, because if you choose 8, 108 into 8, that is very greater than from 750. So now remainder is 1. Yes or no? Here just write down here remainder is equals to 1. Therefore 1 must be subtracted from 3250 to get a perfect square number. Okay, perfect square number. Clear? So now perfect square number is 3250 minus 1, 3249 is the perfect square number. Now the question is find the square root also of this number. So we have already calculated 57. अगर आप इसका लॉन्ग डिवीजन से अगेन फाइंड करोगे तो सेम आंसर आएगा. ओके, यू कैन ट्राई. क्लियर? नाउ मूव टू दी डी पार्ट. Now D part you can try yourself. We are doing the fifth part, 4000. Okay, so same question by long division method. By the long division method. Okay, so 4000, make the pairs 1 and this is 2. So in the answer there will be 2 digits. 40 is our first pair, so 6 square is 36, because if you choose 7 square, that is 49, that is greater than from 40. Subtract it, 4, add the same number, 6 and 6, 12. Now put a blank here. After that bring down this pair. Now we have to choose this number with the help of calculation. If you put here 1, then multiply it by 1, 121, very less. If you put 2, then 244, that is very less than. If you check with 3, so you will get 369. If you want to check with 4, if you put here 4, then multiply it with 4. So now 496, that is very greater than so we will not pick this one. Our answer is this. So digit is 3 and here also 3, because we have to choose that number which gives us the multiplication exactly equals to or less than. Okay, so 31 is remainder. Here remainder is 31, therefore 31 must be subtracted to get a perfect square number. Okay, so if you subtract 4000 minus 31, you will get not 63, 31 we have to subtract, only remainder we have to subtract. So you will get 3969. This is the perfect square number, is the perfect square number. Now the question is find the square root also. So with the help of long division you can find, or directly you can write the square of root of this number is equals to 63, this one. Okay, clear? Now only two parts are your homework, part number B and part number 4. Now move to the question number 5. Thank you.